Right here. Let's go up and see what's going on. Right? Anything interesting that's what is happening here. Thank you. So, figure things out. Gotta wear a mask when inside a subway. So many things going on in there. The hell is one you might catch. Auto white balance locks. Always works. And a punch. Yeah, they're always there. Who knows what they're doing? Nobody knows what they're doing except themselves. And here they are, as always. Nobody knows what they do better than the SRG. Yeah. Anyway, that's the NYPD for you. Looks good. The balance looks good. Aperture is 2.8. ISO is at 4000. S-log. This thing can capture it. Huh. Nothing much going on. Let's see. This does feel like a gimbal, but I don't know if it's smooth as a gimbal. I'll figure that out later. Right. Figure things out as we walk around. As it gets more busier, I see people, a lot of people out there. Pretty busy day. But not as busy as it was the other time that I was here. Finally getting a chance to use this dynamic active stabilization in low light. Let's see if it works. Or do you actually need higher shutter speeds to make this thing happen? I don't know. Doesn't look like you do. Looks like it's working just fine. But there's a lot of people. Gotta walk through them as things happen from time to time. Right? So, yeah, not bad. Not as busy as I expected it to be today, but last time I was here, it was pretty busy. They couldn't even move for 5 straight blocks. Health first, pretty good. Anyway, they're always there with low medical insurance if you need it. Low cost medical insurance. That's the right word. I think they're the administrator for Medicare and Medicaid, and yeah, anyway, figured that out the hard way when I tried looking for insurance the other day. And apparently if you make less than 37, you get pretty affordable, low cost or free healthcare. And if you make no money at all, I think it gets even better for you. But I think there are some limitations with everything else as to who is covered, who is a provider, who is able to, or which doctor you're going to get, and if they accept the insurance, yada yada yada. You know the drill. Yeah. It's almost full. Let's see if the auto white balance kicks in. Take it out of lock. Put it back on lock. See if I get better colors that way. Yeah, let's cross the street, go left, and see what's out there in a bit. This is the Sigma 10 to 18, 2.8, but it's made for an APS-C sensor. Look at it, it's working perfectly fine. Or full frame using dynamic stabilization. No problems at all. It looks like it's working really good. If it works this well, then I have no qualms with taking abroad.
I mean, you're gonna walk with one hand in the mirror.
Yeah, not that many people. That's good. You just walk around, right? And yeah, quite easy to do. Yeah, you just have to run a little bit just to get ahead of people, but other than that, it's perfectly fine. Then you hit bottleneck next, just like that, as you'll see. Right? Here's a little bottleneck to hit. Hey, look, nice food. Yeah, not bad. Just testing the auto detection of the mic. Let's see if the auto captures the voice. It probably has something to do with the flip screen. So if you flip it around, it's probably that the microphone facing forward is the one that they will select to capture audio from. But other than that, I don't think it's that smart. There's nothing smart about selecting audio, I guess. Just front and back or all around. 3 options. The thing has to just pick one of the 3. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, fast pace. Let's see if the stabilization is able to keep up with the. Yeah, the autofocus is hitting my eye. That is what Sony is known for. Let's cross the street. Let's see what's going on the other side. Okay, nothing much. Let's see what's happening here. And usually a lot of people, things that happen around here, but nothing much. Oh shoot! Yeah, nothing much going around. Yeah, the ISO keeps going up between 12,800 and 1,400, so that's good. So it's well within its range of ISOs. And yeah, with the auto lock white balance, I should be able to get really good colors out of whatever Sony provides. And also, since it's 10-bit, I can probably change a little bit here and there without much issues. Meh issues, right? Yeah. Let's go all the way down here and go left. Right? Yeah, it's dynamic stabilization. I don't need to carry a gimbal around. And if that's the case, this is all I need. Right? Perfect combo. The Sigma 10-18 with the ZV-E1 at probably at a sale price if you are able to get it. Yep, there's the garbage man. Anyway. Oh, might have made a wrong turn. I need to go left. Is there a way to go left? Ah, yes, there is. Next block. Yeah. Anyway. Great combo for the dynamic range, for the dynamic active stabilization, and also for portability. It hasn't overheated, it's pretty hot today, humid, 80%. Not bad. Usually I tried out the R50 yesterday. 30 minutes in, it was halfway. The bar for the overheat was not screaming, but if I wanted to do an hour-long walk around tour with it, I guess it would have been a problem. But I guess if I also took out batteries on those things, it would cool down pretty fast. It's not like an artificial timer where you're limited to 30 minutes of recording. if you are. No, I don't think you would, but yeah, they give me a bar, and now it's well within that bar. Yeah, 2.8. Both bowls are real, but 2.8. Now let's try to do a shot, handheld shot like this. Let's see if it works. Not really. I just slow it down a lot and walk like this for a little while. Yeah, look at all the people eating in there. Right? It's pretty cool. Anyway. Just walking around. There. Again, not many people. Not today. Probably tomorrow. Who knows? Hey, it was supposed to be filming today. I look up and it's still happening. I guess that doesn't count. Oh, Wendy's. Probably can get my $5 fix right here. Can't beat that price for lunch. $5. Burger, fries, nuggets, and also, what else? I don't know. Coke. Coke to go along with it. There goes New York's finest. Just sitting there collecting paycheck. Oh, what's the city ground? What are you gonna do? Into these folks. Yeah, you gotta push yourself through. If you don't push yourself through, no one's gonna give you enough freedom to go anywhere else. Because everyone is busy doing their own little thing. Yeah. Here you go. You guys wanna buy something? It's definitely available for purchase. Yeah, this is a better calming atmosphere than what we had before. Not bad. Well, that was it. That was the end of the tour. That was that. Now going back, seeing what's new. Gonna be after cutting out the mass because subways. Yeah, don't let anyone tell you otherwise. The subways are not clean. Yeah, that's a little tour of Jackson Heights for you. Yeah, as you can see, they're still there and they're doing God knows what. Let's take a little quad balance, put it back on again. Okay, I think that did the job. Anyway, so I gotta wait for the M or whatever comes my way. Goddamn trains are always slow in the weekends. Alright, let's see. White balance. There it is. Cool. Going with that. Auto white balance with the auto white balance lock is a game changer for me.
¿Tenés tu mochila del cosito?
Yeah. We just walk the line to go where we're gonna go.
All trains will be running on that track over there.
Thank you.
Tú también acá.